Hello, this is Python Statistical, and today I'm looking at an interesting problem that I came across when comparing Python 3.5.2 with Python 3.6.4, both 64-bit. The first one running on Ubuntu 16.04.3 LTS, and the second one running under Windows 10. 64-bit. So in this very simple code, I've created this a_list and has 3 occurrences of cat1 and 3 occurrences of cat2, and they are ordered from cat1 to cat2. Then on line 11, I use the set command to get the unique values of that list. So I'll have it giving me just cat1 and cat2, and I put that into a list and call it unique _ categories. And then I print that. So let's see what the result is under Python 3.5.2. As you can see, the order is as it was in the original list. So it starts with cat1 and then cat2. So here's the exact same program running under Python 3.6.4. And this is running in Windows 10 64-bit. So we can see that the ordering of unique categories is the other way around. It's put cat2 first and then cat1 second, which is not the same natural ordering that we had to start with. In fact, it's not in any natural ordering. So why is this a problem? Well, if the ordering of your categories is in a different order than you expect, when you're doing things like, say, plots by category, your labeling is going to be all wrong, and that will give you a major headache. So how do we fix this problem? Well, the easiest way to fix this is to sort that list. So if we take our unique categories, we can then use the sorted function to sort the categories. And this will ensure that it retains the order that you expect. So I'll run it again. Doesn't matter here because it's already in the right order, but when we run it in Python 3.6.4, you'll see that it will also give us the same order. So here is the code running under Python 3.6.4 on our Windows 10 machine. And with the sorted function, we find that unique categories goes from cat2 cat1 ordering to cat1 cat2 ordering, which is the natural ordering that we want. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. And if you really like it, please subscribe to Python Statistical. Thank you for watching.